How to Write a Novel Using the Snowflake Method by Andy Ringerminger. Andy, it's Randy. I'm looking at it. Well, bonjour, raconteurs. On this, the finest of days, I deeply desire to mete out my inspection, evaluation, and judgment on William Zinsser's perennial classic, On Writing Well. This tome helps its consumers drive their scrivening skills to loftier heights through the utilization of effective vocabulary and by Nixon fluff prose that utterly fails to deliver on its promised baseline performance. Well, that was constipated. I wonder if William Zinsser can help. Let me try that again. Hey storytellers, today I want to share my review of William Zinsser's book, On Writing Well. This book will teach you to declutter and energize your writing. See, the magic is working already. In his book, William shares the skills he has mastered as a writer, editor, and teacher to help readers improve their writing through clear and engaging prose. For example, Zinsser shows how writers can cut almost 50% out of their drafts without losing information or removing their unique voice. Using the information in this book, I cut my contrived introduction from 5 lines down to 1.5 without losing any vital information. This book also shows how choosing strong verbs and nouns will clarify and strengthen your writing with examples. Let's go over the pros and cons of this book. The first 10 chapters of this book are a must-read for any writer. This book stresses the importance of reading your work aloud and then rewriting. It provides visual examples of weeding clutter out of your prose. It offers sound advice on different forms of writing, such as memoirs, travel, interviews, sports, creative nonfiction, business, humor, and so on. It helps readers maintain a consistent voice in their writing, and it gives tips on becoming a successful paid writer. I did run into a couple of cons with this book. First of all, the print version of this book is superior to the audiobook due to all the visual examples. Additionally, the print and audiobook versions of this title are different, with the audiobook being significantly shorter. Now let's go over the 6-point analysis for this book. This book does not discuss advertising or marketing at all, neither does it discuss publishing. It lightly touches on outlining and story structure. It heavily discusses editing, and the main topic of this book is grammar and style. For the rating on this book, I give it a should read. The first 10 chapters of On Writing Well are a must-read for any writer. The rest of the book may be valuable depending on the kinds of writing you're doing. I'm including a link to my bookstore in the comments below, which contains all 2 of the books I've reviewed so far. How to Write a Novel Using the Snowflake Method by Randy Ingermanson and On Writing Well by William Zinsser. I'll add new books to my bookstore as I review them. This URL is an affiliate link, meaning I get a small commission for each book sold. Also, buying through my online store supports local bookshops in your area. On Writing Well helped me strengthen my writing, and I know it can do the same for you. If you like this review, please like it and follow me on X. See you next time. To help readers improve their writing through clear and engaging writing. Oh, I changed it. I did run into a couple of through clear and engaging. I did it again. Why did I do that again? Today I want to share my sorry. That was stupid.